Good afternoon. It is May 3rd, 2024. And today we really just had a range day after this big old news item. Um, so we did gap over this high from the overnight, and we didn't close that gap. And we gapped over this high from, that would be Wednesday, but we did close that to the tick, but not a, the bodies didn't overlap. So perhaps we have some strong bulls. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So we have this break of this channel, breakout. We tested the EMA and we're making a higher low, broke out of this range and we bounced. So, we could go higher, we could make a new high. We'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, so there was a few ways you could be looking at this. If you were looking at that breakout from yesterday, it looks like maybe that's where this big bull body stopped, and you can see that's where prices bounced down here. Maybe that is a common target for people, or the top of the entire move up, which that looks like that might be it. Doesn't really matter, but different targets for different people and computers. But anyway, we get this breakout and then we just start going sideways. And you could definitely go long in here and look for scalps with how much consistent support there is there. Come up here. You could probably go short in here too. And you can see a lot of people like to go short here. Then you have this 2-bar sell climax, stronger than any of these bars in here. It gaps over, so you couldn't get in on a stop, most likely. And so maybe you consider taking that long. This kind of looks like break. 2 legs of correction, boom, move to a new high. Big bullish bar right there, so maybe you consider that. Ends up being a good move up. And I believe there was a news item at 7 a.m. Yeah. And so that created this 2-bar reversal and a spike in channel. And if you want to be aggressive, you can, sell this pullback and you get this bear bar. It's just not the high of the swing. So it's just aggressive. But we're going back and forth a lot. Double bottom, first entry, second entry, off that trend line. Come down here. And you could probably argue to go long here, but it's, we're in a channel down, so statistically it's better to wait. First entry, second entry short right there. And then we get a break. And matching low, I don't think this is, it looks like it's a little higher. Yeah, so 1 tick higher. And, I think that's reasonable to take that, go long. It looks like we're starting to range. You got a big bull breakout right here, and you can see plenty of people like that. Come up here, make a new high, lower high, second lower high, failed second entry long. It's above the EMA, but I like that a lot. And then you get this lower high. I think that's worth considering. And we just go sideways, sell climax before it reverses, failed second entry short, confirming that trend line, get a break. Second entry long right here, but you're at the highs, and this has been range-like price action, and it's below the EMA, so I didn't like that. And then we move into this flatter channel. First entry, second entry long. I marked that green. You could probably argue it for it to be blue because it's off that trend line. And then we got an overshoot, and we just been going sideways since then. So that's how I saw it. Kind of a boring day. But yeah, so hope everyone had a good week. I'll be back on Monday.